This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, students. This is Java programming. Now, this is day one, presentation one. So, Java programming, what is it? Java is a programming language and it is a platform. What does it mean? Before we go to the explanation, it is also a high-level, robust, secure, and object-oriented programming language. Now, it is a platform. What does it mean? A platform is any hardware or software environment in which a program runs. So, any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as a platform. So, since Java has its own runtime environment, that is why it is called a platform, because it is having a runtime environment. So, here we have an example, a Java example. So we have class simple, then public static void main. So it is a structure of main function, public static void main. So we shall go into details of why public, why static, why void, and it has string args as argument. Then we have system.out.print hello Java. This is our program example. So to run this program, you need to install a JDK, Java Development Kit. Where can you find JDK? Here, okay. Here I have Java Point website. Then in Java Point website, we have Hello Java program. Then in Hello Java program, we have paste Java program Hello World. On this page, we have requirement for Java Hello World example. For executing any Java program, you need to install JDK. If you don't have installed it, you have to download it. So if you download it, if you click this download link, javatpoint.com. So we have JDK. We are directed to oracle.com. Then we have JDK. Thank you for downloading this release of Java TM Platform Standard Edition, JDK. It is a development environment. So let us wait and see if the download starts. So here we have different versions. Linux, in our case, we have Windows. GDK. So GDK, you can use any download link. We have many download links to GDK, so you can use any. So after downloading it, you can install it, and then if you install it, you can start running Java programs. Here, let us go back to our slides. We have, so how can we, what is the environment we can use to write? So at the beginning, we can even use Notepad. We can use Notepad to develop our simple programs. Let us open Notepad. So it is here, it is opened. Then we open another. So we have class, maybe hello one. Format font. Let me increase the font. Let me use 20. So now public static void main public static void main string args. Then this is main function. Then system.out.print hello Kigali. Then don't forget a semicolon. This is the simplest program in Java. It is the simplest program in Java. Then we can save it. So you can choose any folder, any path. Then I'm saving it in local disk D, work, then Java Pro. Then we call it hello1.java. So you have to remember a .java extension, hello1.java. Then we save it. Then after saving it, we can run our Java program. So we can run our Java program by using Notepad. So CMD, let us open CMD. So our program is saved in D, then CD work, it is in work, CD Java program pro, then Java to compile. We need to compile our program by using Java hello one.java. So this is how we compile our program. it is compiled, because when there is an error is displayed, then Java to run, after compiling, we need to run a program. So to run a program, we use Java, then hello one. So this is so you can see the output. Hello Kigali is coming. Hello Kigali is coming. So after installing your GDK, it is enough. So, but you can also use an IDE like NetBeans or Eclipse. We can also use it so that we can develop so quickly our programs. But simple programs can be developed by using the Notepad text editor. Apart from Notepad, we can also use Sublime text. Let us use Sublime text. It is the better one. Let us try to use Sublime text. So Sublime text is opened. So this one, let us open. Then let us choose Java. No. It's Java. Java is here. Java. Then we are in Java. Then plus let me save it first. Save as. So after saving it, I can activate the autocomplete. So I'm saving my programs in local disk D. Local disk D, work, then Java program. So hello to .java. Please remember the name of a file is the same as the name of a class. So class hello2. Can you see? Then we don't need to extend class hello2 main method. As soon as you start writing main, it is coming. Then system dot out dot print hello to Java program. Then we can save. After saving, we can go back to our notepad. Let us compile it. Java 2. No. Java 2. So compilation. There is no error. There is no problem. Then let us run Java hello2. Then Hello to Java program, we are having our output. We are having our output. You can see it is simple. So as long as you know the structure of writing a Java program, it becomes simple. So let us go back into our slide. Okay. Where Java is used. 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are as the following. It is used in desktop to develop desktop applications. You can make desktop applications by using Java. So examples of those applications are Acrobat Reader, media players, antiviruses. They are desktop applications. Those applications you develop and then make a portable setup which can be installed in your desktop or laptop computers. Those are desktop applications. You bring their setups and then you can install them into your computers. You can use Java to develop web applications. So web applications like websites or any other web applications like this, your e-learning platform. So they are web applications. Web applications, they are those applications you access by using a browser, and they are stored or they are hosted in servers like websites and so on. EA.com, which is a web applications. So those applications which are hosted in servers and they are accessed in browsers, they are web applications. It is also used to develop enterprise applications such as banking systems, banking applications. It is also used to make mobile applications. In year 2, we shall study mobile applications like USSD applications. USSD applications. USSD is unstructured they are unstructured service data. So these applications will access on mobile phones by dialing star, for example, a mobile money application. It is a USSD application. So we access them by dialing, for example, star, 3 numbers, then hash. Then you click OK. Then you are prompted to the first menu. There are menu-based applications. So it is also used to make embedded applications. Embedded application, for example, photocopying machine, it has an operating system. So that program is an embedded program. So these devices which can be commanded anyhow, and they are used to perform specific tasks. So they have an embedded computer which is programmed. So those embedded computers are programmed by using Java. So you can program smart cars, you can program robotics, you can make games by using Java. Yes, in year 2 we shall study mobile applications, especially USSD applications. I told you that USSD applications, they are unstructured supplementary service data, USSD applications. So like these mobile money applications in year 2, we shall see how to develop such kinds of applications. So the simple Java programs, I showed you how to write a simple Java program. In this page, we learn how to write a simple Java program. We can write a simple Hello Java program. So we saw how to make these simple Java programs. Here, the slide is showing us steps to create a simple Java programs. You need to create a class that contains main method. Let us understand the requirement first. So requirements, you need to download and install the JDK, Java Development Kit. So this Java Development Kit, it has a development environment, GRE, Java Runtime Environment, where we can run our programs. So after downloading and installing the JDK, you need to set path. So in next slides, we shall see how to set path either temporary or permanently. So the program is here. How do we compile it? We type Java, which means Java compiler. Then we put the name of our program, and we don't forget to add the .java extension. So to compile, you have to type Java simple if your program is called simple. Simple.java. If you save it as simple.java, so you have to compile it by using simple.java. It is better that your name, the name of your file, has the same name as the name of a class. So the file is simple.java and a class is simple. If they are the same, you don't have any complication of compiling and running your application. So after compilation, you can execute, you can run your program by typing Java keyword and then simple. Understanding first Java program. So let's see what is the meaning of class, public, static, void, main, strings, system.out.print. So class is a keyword. Class keyword is used to declare a class, to define a class in Java, and in PHP you have to use class keyword. So simply class keyword, it is a keyword which indicates that the name following it is a name of a class. So we have public. Public keyword, it is an access modifier. So we shall say access modifiers in other presentations. It is an access modifier that I can talk about access modifiers. Access modifier or access specifier, it is their keywords which are used to define different visibility levels of classes, of methods, of members of a class. So sometimes we need to hide our data. So we can hide our data by using private. It means a private data can be only accessed inside a class which is defined. So we can use protected. Protected members are accessed internally inside the class, and we can access them by using inheritance. It means some class can also access these protected members. We can also have public. Public members can be accessed from anywhere. It means they are not hidden. So access modifiers are keywords which are used to define visibility levels. Okay. It is a way of protecting data so that they cannot be accessed anyhow, anywhere. We are hiding them, we are protecting them so that the access of those can be restricted. So public is a keyword. It is a keyword which is an access modifier, which is a response, which represents visibility. It means it is visible to all. All classes can access public member wherever it is. So static keyword, if we declare any method as static, it is known as static method. The core advantage of static method is that there is no need to create an object. So static method, it is also called class method. So a class method, it does not belong to any object. Apart from static method, we can have instance method. So if we define an instance method, to access that method, we need to create an object because that method belongs to an object. But for a static, it means that method can be executed without creating any object because it is a class method. So the main method is executed by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So it does not require to create object to invoke the main method. So it saves memory. It saves the memory. So static method saves the memory. Sometimes it is not required it is not necessary to make a method instance method. So if a method content is not specific to any object, it is better to make it static because static method, static variables, they save memory because they are created once and they can be accessible to all objects. So void it is an alternative. Void, it is, if a method is having void, it means it returns nothing. It does not return any value. Main, it is the name of our main methods. It represents the startup of the program. It is where the program execution starts. We have string arrays. String arrays is used for command line arguments. So we shall learn command line arguments later. So system.out.print, it is used to print. It is used print a string, whatever. So it is used to display our content to the screen. So here we have the same program. So we can open Notepad, we can type, we can compile. Then after compilation, then we can run. We saw how to do it. So how to set up the path? How to set up the path? The path is required to be set for using tools such as Java, etc. So before using these keywords, Java, we need to set the path of our JDK. After installation of JDK, you need to set the path so that your JDK can be visible in your notepad. If you don't set up the path, you will type Java and notepad will not understand it. So if you are saving the Java source file inside JDK bin directory, path So setting path is not required to be set because all tools will be available in current